guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, it's time to wash my hair. I have purposely put off washing my hair because honestly, I just didn't have the time. I didn't have the patience for it. I didn't want to deal with it. It's so dry. It needs some help. I said I was going to do better this year, and I actually have been, but these last couple of weeks have been kicking my butt. So Amika to the rescue, okay? So today I'm using a new product. This is the Cure Multitask Repair Treatment. So what it is a 60-second repair treatment, y'all. I don't have all day for stuff to be sitting in my hair and lingering, but it's gonna help restore the breakage, the damage, and just overall make it a lot stronger because right now it's definitely, she's struggling. I do have the whole line, which I have used the mask before. I'm actually not going to use the conditioner. I'm going to end up using the mask today, but I do have the shampoo as well. So I'm excited to see what this does. Y'all know Amika is one of my favorite brands. I don't really know what style I'm going to do. I think I'm going to end up just blow drying my hair and flat ironing it. Let me stop blabbing and let's go ahead and just get started with this wash day because we ain't got all day.
So since we're friends, I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. It's been about 3 weeks since I've washed my hair, and right now I do have in the Amika Dream Routine overnight hydrating mask because I needed help with the dryness I'm dealing with right now. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I started off first by just sectioning my hair and just splitting it apart, doing a little bit of finger detangling. Y'all know what type 4 hair, 4B, 4C hair, you gotta finger detangle first and then go in with whatever tool you need to properly detangle, get all the shed hair out before shampooing. And then next up, I went on ahead and grabbed the Cure Bond Repair Shampoo and gave my hair 2 good washes.
Let me tell y'all, the hardest part of my wash day is actually just getting up and putting the water and shampoo on the head. It's like going to the gym. Like once you're at the gym, you're good. It's just getting there.
All right, so hair has been washed. Now we're moving on to deep conditioner. I'm using the Cure Intense Bond Repair Mask. It's a moisturizing mask, you guys. It's also gonna help reduce breakage and help prevent future damage. So just slathering this all up on my hair, and then once I've got every section completely covered, I'm gonna grab my little plastic cap and then my heated cap and let it all soak in.
All right, y'all, so hair has been washed, conditioned, and now I'm gonna use a 60-second multitask repair treatment. So it does say if your hair is more on the severely damaged side, you can use this as a leave-in. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna saturate my hair from root to tip, leave it in for 60 seconds, rinse it out, and then just finish styling my hair for today.
So this repair treatment does have amino acids that can provide keratin-like benefits. It targets bonds in hair that are most prone to breakage with their Bond Cure technology. It also has sea buckthorn to help nourish the hair. You can use this mask a couple times a week if you like. I tried applying it different ways, so just applying it directly onto my hair and also applying it in my hands and working it through. Both ways work just fine, and also with the consistency being a little bit more on the liquidy side, I was able to spread it through my hair without any problem. So I left this on for 60 seconds, you guys, and then of course I jumped in the shower, gave myself a really good rinse off, and then I will be back in just a second to show you guys my final look for my hair and final thoughts. out the treatment, my hair felt so much stronger without feeling stripped. I hadn't lost my moisture at all. I ended up adding in a few clip-ins for a little extra volume, and that was basically it for this style. So make sure you guys check the description box. I'll have all the products that I used from Amika down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.